Hello, my name is Abby and I'm an Associate Customer Success Manager here at Mixpanel. Okay, so today we're going to talk about a quick guide to get you started using Mixpanel. So hopefully you can start populating some of your own reports and you feel confident enough to do that. Okay, fantastic. So what you'll notice here is I have a pinned dashboard as one of the first things I see. So you may have a pinned dashboard, and if you do have a pinned dashboard, but you're not really sure what to do with some of the information there, let me quickly talk you through what you might find. So dashboards contain your key metrics and KPIs. And actually, what you'll find is they can be populated of cards here that contain information regarding what the dashboard is about, or videos that give you further information or direct you to a kind of key message that your company wants you to know about. So as I scroll down, I've got some more cards with information telling me what each report next to it is about. And of course, I can click on any of the cards. If I click on the report cards here, it will take me to that report. And if I was to click on the kind of text here, I could edit it. But seeing as this is a pinned dashboard, the person you can see there, the person that made the dashboard will decide kind of what privacy settings they've shared with the rest of the company. So if I see this dashboard and I'm like, okay, this is really cool, and I kind of want it for myself to manipulate and tinker with myself, what I can do is I can click these three little horizontal dots here, and it says duplicate. So what that will do is it will generate a duplicate of the dashboard that you found interesting. And with this dashboard now, I can manipulate it, change the text there, add links, add more videos as I see fit. And this is private to me. So actually, it won't affect any of the pinned dashboard there. I can kind of use it how I see fit. Okay, wicked. If you don't have a pinned dashboard or any kind of reference dashboard down the side here, what you could do to start off with is have a look at this top space bar, open reports and dashboards. And what that will do is it will show you all of the dashboards and reports that have been made by your colleagues. So two things here you can do is, by all means, click on one that you find interesting and you want to know more about, or reach out to the colleague that made that dashboard. So I can reach out to my colleagues here and be like, oh, hey, I saw this this report or dashboard that you made, and I want to know more about it, just to give you a bit more insight. So what I'll do from here is I will pick a report that I want to look at more so. So I've just clicked on insights there and I'm like, okay, hey, this sounds really interesting. I'm going to click on it. What that will do is it will generate that report for me. And again, because this report was made by somebody in my team, I don't necessarily want to mess with that report. I kind of want to build confidence in making my own. So why not start from this? So what I'll do again is I'll duplicate it. And you'll notice it changes the title, duplicate of that, of the active users who transfer. So here I've got the report and I'm able now to kind of add filters that I'm more interested in, or add a breakdown that I'm more interested in, to kind of see that comparison of results there. And of course, so if I was to add a filter maybe by city, and I was going to say, oh, hey, I want to look at only those habitual transfer makers in this particular city, it will begin to populate that report for me. Okay, now I've kind of, I feel fairly confident and I kind of like the new report I've made. I can add a quick description and I could say, okay, it's by City of Aberdeen, just so that anyone else looking at this report kind of understand the context. By city. Okay, lovely. And then what I can do now is I can save it. So if I click the save, what it will do is it will give me an option to save it to that new dashboard that I've made, so duplicate of that dashboard that I've made, or I can create a new dashboard if I want to. So I'm going to save it to that new dashboard that I made. And I'm beginning to kind of form some reports in a dashboard that I find interesting. And that's going to be the first dashboard that I see on that drop down kind of column. Okay. As well as duplicating, of course, you can create short links, share it with your team, click on these three horizontal buttons again. You can delete it, rename it, undo, which is fantastic, or redo if you go back too far. But what I wanted to focus on here is alerts. You can create alerts. So if I've made a dashboard and made a report and saved it to a dashboard, I'm able to create alerts and send those alerts either via my email or through Slack. And that could be you wanting to be notified when a particular cohort of users becomes above or below a particular value. And you can kind of set the frequency of that hourly, weekly, or monthly there. Okay, really cool. Okay. So from here, hopefully, if I pop back into dashboards, hopefully you feel confident making your own reports. So again, just kind of concluding those quick tips, duplicate the dashboards, have a chat with your colleagues if they've made really interesting reports. And by all means, don't be shy. You definitely can't break it. Just give it a try. Thank you.